Abelia grandiflora is a compact flowering evergreen shrub from China with attractive glossy foliage. It's a fast grower, is happy in sun or shade, grows to around 2 meters in height if you let it, and produces pretty bell-shaped flowers from spring through till autumn. But this is a plant that needs regular trimming. If you leave it to its own devices, it will create tall arching stems and can get rather straggly. But kept trimmed, these plants will add plenty of shape, colour and texture to your garden. Just be careful not to trim off too many flower buds, which will keep coming all summer long. There are a few attractive cultivars, Francis Mason being a standout, with its yellow and green variegated foliage and masses of pinky white flowers. Kaleidoscope is another to look out for, with added tones of orange. Be it hedge or topiary, Abelia are hardy, versatile, easy to grow and very attractive to boot.